Hi everyone, it's Natty. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new, thanks for giving me a try. If you've been here a while, thanks for coming back. Today we are looking at succulents after we had rain last night for the first time in a long time. And it's been very hot here in upper 90s, if not 102, which is not normal for here, but I just want to show you what everything's looking like right now. So it is pretty messy. My pearl was so pretty and now she's gotten so much yuck falling on her. Tried to clean it off and all it did was take off her farina, so I was trying to let her do her own thing. But it's going to be 93, 94 today, and I'm concerned about them getting sunburn with raindrops still in there. But I don't know. We'll see how everybody does. Look how beautiful this one, the orbiculata. Look how pretty she is. This guy needs a new pot. I know. I keep thinking I'm gonna get her a new pot and I haven't yet. And the aloe is super stressed. It is not like all the sun just getting, but the new growth seems to be hanging in there pretty well. So, and this guy I think is dead. This I think is just getting too much sun, not enough water. That's on me. This thing is not. I think this is dead. The bigger one over here died too. But these little ones seem to be doing okay still. This I chopped and I don't remember what it was, but it didn't do anything for me, the stem. See, some of these are looking pretty good still. And this agavoides, oh, she's so pretty. This Black Knight I chopped, and look at the baby's growing. Looks like it's got some sort of, I don't know what that is. It doesn't rub off, but maybe it's just sunburn. See, there's water in this one. Just turn it. And the pots that I painted, healing. These are leaves, look. Got a baby. This thing did not make it at all. Gotta chop that off. And these are just a bunch of things I tossed in here. This one I chopped these guys' heads off and I don't remember where I put the tops, but it's got babies growing. This one's got several babies growing on its stem. And this one, oh, sunburn right here. This leaf Sad. We'll just set it there. And I have had aphids pretty bad, so I've been spraying, so there's a little bit of damage from that too. Look at this guy. This guy is so big. My pots, and I filled them too full because dirt is spilling out everywhere when it gets a little bit of water. But so pretty, right? My cacti, let's check these guys out. So this one, I have a video, or not a video, I have a picture of this one blooming. I'll show that to you guys. But it looked so pretty, and I'm wondering if this is forming a seed pod. I hope so. It's so cute. These guys are just doing pretty well, I think. All things considered that I barely water them. Look, these guys finally started growing. Look at that, my porcupine cactus. I think that's what it's called, I don't know. But it's so cute. They got some new growth. And look right here, this one's got a bloom that has formed. So pretty. This bowl is a struggling bowl. This one's the one that has had the most problems with aphids, and everything just seems to be so unhappy. And like this stuff keeps breaking off. See, looks like it's gonna break off. There's like no, this is hard, like it's dried out. I don't know, maybe I'll chop those and see if I can save them. This stuff does not like being out here. It's too hot, too much sun. These guys are beautiful. And again, another one that's struggling with aphids though. Look, see? I don't know if you can see the little black spots on there. But right in here, you can kind of see them all over here. So this one I need to treat again. But I mean, look how beautiful. The colors are gorgeous. I like how the tips of these are like the same color as this. So pretty. This is actually a new purchase I bought last week, I believe. Calico heart. Look how pretty. So cute. Figure out where I'm gonna put her, but she's so cute. And all these guys in here are all new as well. I bought them at the same time. This one's a crested topsy-turvy. It does not look very happy. It looks like it needs some water. Must have not got any of that rain last night. Oh, it feels wet. Maybe it got too much, I don't know. Set it here. These guys are just so heavy. I put them all together so they would stand up. Look how pretty those are. Aren't those gorgeous? And these guys, big fan. This one's recovering from sunburn. Another leaf. These guys all seem to be doing pretty well in here. This one's got a bloom stalk. And actually, several of these, so this is where I put all my dead leaves and then I throw them away. But several of these, like this one here, and this one, and this one, all had big blooms growing, and then I just took them all off because I just figured it was too hard on them. They weren't doing well with trying to keep themselves beautiful and support blooms, so I pulled them off, or I cut them off. But see, this one's full of water in there. Oh, but she is so cute. Oh my gosh, I love her. And this guy's doing so much better since I put it in this pot. Oh my gosh. If you haven't watched, I repotted. I did this one and this one in a video, and since then, like this one looks so much happier, and then these two as well are just doing so much better. And then I didn't have this one as full when I did the video, but I did end up shoving in more plants in here. And other than the water, I think these are doing okay. Well, this one came out. It's alright. This one has come out of the soil. Its roots do not look great, but I'm just gonna put it back. Right? Anyway, so a lot of struggling plants with the heat, but because of the lattice top and this, it keeps it pretty well protected from super strong sun. However, it does get very, very hot. So overall, I think everyone's doing okay. I'm sure by the end of the year we're gonna have quite a few casualties, but we will be doing some repotting and filling things up before we bring them in for winter. But hopefully we still have several weeks of summer before we have to come inside. They're so pretty, so pretty. Look at the pearls. The pearls are doing so well. They don't mind it, except look, then you get down here, they don't like this. So look, we'll do this. Just take off that section that doesn't look very good. And look, but look at how much better everything's looking though. The pearls all seem to be doing just fine out here in this heat, which is surprising. And these ones, I pulled some plants out of this one that were not doing well, and I put the pearls in here, and I think they'll be fine. See, more of these were sun damaged at some point. So, I mean, not all is lost, but I feel like they look pretty good. Pretty good. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed watching. You can see my big mess I still need to clean up. I need to pull everything out and spray everything off and put it all back in. I've got so many cobwebs everywhere in here. There's so many webs. Spider webs everywhere. Like there's one, well, you can't see it, but it's right here. There's a big one. And then all over back in the rocks. And I do have a little video I did, I'll put in here. I think a nest of spider eggs hatched because there was a ton of little tiny ones crawling all over my pots. So I'll put that at the end of the video so you can see that. But anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed seeing how things are looking. And if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to like, comment. And thank you so much for stopping by. Have a great week.